Hello viewers. Today I discuss about a problem in statistics, probability distribution in statistics. Probability distribution in statistics. Probability distribution in statistics. So I I discuss with a problem. Let's see this problem. Before I start, I of course appeal to all of you to subscribe this channel to get such kind of videos. And if you like, then like. And of course, if you like, then share with your friends. And of course, comment me if you have any suggestion. Let's start this problem. Given that x denotes the number of heads. Number of heads. And what y denotes the number of tails. So we have a fair coin and tossed 3 times. A fair coin tossed 3 times. Tossed 3 times. We have to find out a variable given z on the two variables, random variables x and y, with this relation x minus y. We have to find out that what is the value. We have to find out that ez is equal to x minus ey. We have to verify, and also variance of z is equal to variance of x minus variance of y. So we'll have to verify these are true or not. We have to verify these are true or not. So let's see. We'll first create a table for the distribution table. Later we'll create the distribution table. We'll first create a outcome table. So let's start this outcome table to create. We'll take in this way. This is the column of outcomes. This is the columns of probabilities, and the values of x, y, values of x, y, x and y and z. So this way we will create. There is outcome. What will be the set of outcomes? Outcomes. This is outcome. There will be the probability. it, and there will be a number of the value of x, number of heads, the value of y, number of tails, and this is z, and the minus of x minus y. So the toss coin 3 times. So first outcome can be toss coins 3 times. So here total number of outcomes can be 2 cube means 8. 2 to the power cube means 8. There are 8 outcomes. If I am writing first outcomes, can be head, 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 or head, 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 or can be head, tail, head, head, tail, tail, then tail, head, head, tail, head, tail, and 2 more outcomes, tail, tail, head, last, tail, tail. So these are the maximum number of outcomes, 8 outcomes. So all have the probability out of 8, 1. So its probability is 1 by 8. The second probability is also 1 by 8. All have the same probabilities. Same probability is 1 by 8. All have. Now x number of heads here is 3. Number of head here 2, and number of head here 3, and number of tail is 0. Here number of head is 2 and number is tail is 1. Here number of head is 2, number of tail is 1. Here number of head is 1, number of tail is 2. And number of head is 2, number of tail is 1. Here number of head is 1 and number of tail is 2. Here number of head is 1 and number of tail is 2. Here this is tail, 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 sorry. Tail, tail, tail. Here number of head is 0, number of tail is 3. So now z, what is the value of z? X minus y. So it will be 3. This will be 1. This will be 1. This will be minus 1. This will be 1. This will be minus 1. This will be minus 1. And this will be minus 3. Now we'll create first the distribution table of x. So what is the distribution table of x? Uh, let's see this. We will generate in this way. So here we are creating 1, 3. So here value of x we will put, value of y we will put here. Here we will put value of z, values of z, and here the probabilities. Here the probability. So probability. So value of z is uh, minus 3. How many times you can look this? This is just one time. So its probability will be 1 by 8. Now values of minus 1 is 3 times out of 8. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So this will be 3 by 8. Now the value of 1 is also 3 times 8. The number of 3 of z, value of z3 is just 1 time. This will be 1 by 8. Now if we will take the values of x, so there is this table cannot be carried out. It will be different. So you can look this. This is total 1. If you will total this probability, this will be total 1 of the probability. Then I am erasing this and creating table. So here from it we are generating EZ. What will be the value of EZ? This is, you have to verify. So what value of EZ? EZ will be minus 3 1 by 4 plus 1 into by 8. This is minus 1. Then again plus 1 3 by 8 and at last 3 into 1 by 8. If we will sum this, of course all have opposite in size equal and opposite in size. All these data, it must be equal to 0. So we will now find out variance of z. So this variance of z will be equal to ez square minus ez whole square. So we'll have to find out z square here to find out the variance z. E z square, it will be equal to z square means minus 3 square is 9 into 1 by 8 plus of course minus 1 square is 1 into 3 by 8 plus again 1 square 1 is 3 by 8 probability and the square of the values, and the last 3 square 9 into 1 by 8. So if we sum this, so there is 9 9 18 plus 6, 18 plus 6 24 by 8. This means it will be equal to 3. So you have to keep in mind that Ez is equal to 0 and the variance will be variance z. I am now calculating variance z is equal to Ez square minus Ez. So it will be 3 square 3 square minus 0. This will be minus 0 square. 3 square minus 3 minus 0 square. So 3 minus 0 square. This will be 3. So variance of z is equal to 3 and Ez is equal to 0. So I am erasing all these data now to verify. Now we will find out the distribution of A. So what will be the distribution of Ax? There are Ax values of Ax and there is probability x is 0, then this is occurs in one time. This will be 1 by 8. When it is equal to 1, it is 3 times. Then it will be 3 by 8. When its value is 2, this is also 3 by 8. The table of distribution table of x and y is similar. The values are same. And the district value is also same. And the 3 is also 1 by 8. Just 1 times it occurs. So you can look this. The same for y. Same for y. So for y, if we will take for y also, if we change it for y, if we take for y, then 0 is occurs 1 by 8, 1 3 by 8, 3 times, 2 3 by 8, and 3 1 by 8. Then ex, expectation of x is equal to expectation of y. Both will be equal and will be equal to, so we will take 0 multiply 1 by 8, values multiply this probability. 1 into 3 by 8 plus if we cannot, if we will not evaluate the value of the exey, you can clearly see this, that ex and expression of x and expression of y is equal. So its substituent must be equal to, its substituent must be equal to 0, and this is expression of z. So ez must be equal to ex minus y. But I started to I've already started to find out the value. I find z to make this clear, and this is 3 into 1 by 8. So its value is here 3, 6, and 1. 3, 6, 9, and 1, 10. 10 by 8. So we have no longer need to use this, but for the for to calculate the variance, we need to find out this value, 5 by 4. I am checking again, this is okay or not. This is 3 square, sorry, 3, 6, 9, and 1, 10. So this is okay, 5 by 4. So expectation of z, now erasing this data. So you can prove that, proved already, we have already proved this. So expectation of z must be equal to, the expression of x minus y, because both expression of x and y are equal, must be equal to 3. So this is verified. Now to verify the variance, we have find out variance of z is equal to 3. So we have to find out the variance of x and y. We have to find out first ex square. Here ex square and ey square will be equal. Ey square will be equal. So what will be the value? Plus 1 square means 1 into 3 by 8, then 2 square means 4 into 3 by 8, and then 1 square 1 into 1 by 8. What will be the value? It will be equal to 3, here 12, 12, and 3, 15, and 16. So its value is 2. 16 by 8 is value is 2. So we can find out variance x, variance of x or variance of y, both are equal. Variance of y is ex square minus ex v square. So it will be 2 square, 2 minus 25 by 16. So it will be variance of x and variance of y will be equal to 32 minus 25. So it will be 7 by 16. But what we have to verify that variance of z is equal to variance of x minus variance of y or not. So both variance of x and variance of y we are getting equal, since all the data are same for x and y. So variance of must be equal to variance of x minus variance of y. And this is our both are uh, both are now proved or verified that variance of z also equal to variance of x and variance of y. So both have proved, both have been proved. Both are true. Both are true. We have already proved, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and share with your friends, and of course subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.